Carrasco making his first start since April. Last start he had was against the San Francisco Giants, where he went 6 innings, gave up 5 hits and 4 runs. He's done a nice job coming out of the bullpen.
Ripped into the glove of Kipnis with the shift on. He takes it away. Swung out and missed. He strikes him out. That's his first K this afternoon. 2 down in the inning.
Here, that's all he could make it.
Strike 3 called. Ichiro rung up by Carlos Carrasco. And Carrasco's payoff pitch is hit to center. Dickerson calling for it. And the Yankees go 1-2-3. And the 3-2. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. They're only a game and a half behind the Tigers in the division now. Up the middle. Backhanded by Ramirez. From a knee. He throws. Santana with a great stretch to get him. Swing and a miss. He strikes him out. That's 4 now for Carrasco. 1 down here in the 5th. 1-1 to Ichiro. Hit in the air to left. And Zach Walters makes the catch. Carlos Carrasco, terrific outing here today. 11 straight set down by the Indians right-hander.